Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to merge multiple CSV files into one data frame using Python. Your data is likely scattered across many separate files, representing daily transactions, clinics, or research results. To uncover the real story, like annual trends or total sales, you need to bring these scattered pieces together. Think of Python as your robotic assistant. It follows simple instructions to grab all necessary files and unify them into a single data frame. Unlike manual tools, Python handles millions of rows with ease and precision. The essential toolkit for data manipulation is Pandas, the professional standard library in Python. The primary data structure in Pandas is the data frame, which is like a powerful, intelligent spreadsheet inside your Python script. Our first task is to manually merge two files. We will explicitly load two separate CSV files and combine them. Mastering this basic workflow forms the foundation for more complex automation later. Step 1 is loading your data. We import Pandas and use the pd.read_CSV function to read each CSV file. This function converts the file into a Pandas data frame, with df1 holding January data and df2 holding February data. Step 2 is stacking the data frames. The pd.concat function joins them vertically. We use ignore_index equals true to reset the row numbers, making them clean and sequential in the new, merged file. Step 3 addresses missing information. Real-world data is often incomplete, showing up as NaN values. The .fillna method finds all these missing values and replaces them with a specified value, like no data, ensuring a complete dataset. Step 4 is saving your master file. The .to_CSV function writes your data frame to a new CSV file. We set index equals false, so the row numbers are not saved as an extra column, keeping only the essential data. Merging two files manually is great, but what if you have hundreds? Manually typing every single file name is tedious and prone to error. To handle an entire folder of files efficiently, we need to automate the process. The automation tool we use is the glob module. It finds files based on a pattern. The pattern *.csv tells Python to find every file in a directory that ends with .csv and return them as a list. This is the complete automated workflow. It imports Pandas and Glob, finds all CSV files, reads them into a list of data frames, concatenates them, cleans up missing data, and saves the final master file. When troubleshooting, watch for common pitfalls. A FileNotFound error means Python can't find your data. Ensure your files are in the correct folder. Column mismatches prevent merging, as headers must be identical. For a memory error when merging massive files, use the chunk size parameter in pd.read_CSV to process data in smaller, manageable bits. You now speak the language of data engineering. The workflow you've learned, importing, loading, concatenating, cleaning, and saving, forms the backbone of data pipelines. These few lines of code can replace entire workdays of manual Excel merging with precise, accurate results every time. Here is your go-to checklist for merging data. Import Pandas and Glob. Use glob.glob to find all files. Load each file using pd.read_CSV. Merge them with pd.concat. Clean missing data using .fillna. Finally, save the output with .to_CSV. Data chaos is no longer a problem. It's your opportunity. You have the tools, and you have the workflow. Go automate your data and start extracting meaningful insights.